Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up camera timer on this device. To set the camera timer, you need to open camera application. Then here you will see the 3 lines button. By clicking on it, you will see that camera timer options. For example, now by clicking on Start button, picture is creating in this moment. But if you will choose the timer, for example 3 seconds, only after 3 seconds image will be taken. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.